Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to cook spicy garlic shrimp. Very easy, very delicious. For this recipe, I'm going to be using head-on shrimp, about a pound and a half, minced garlic, oyster sauce, olive oil, sriracha sauce, and green onions. We'll start by sauteing about 3 tablespoons of the minced garlic, and we just need to cook this for several seconds without burning it. Next, we'll add the shrimp, and we just need to cook this for several minutes or until the shell turns a nice orange color. Shrimp cook very quickly, so we have to be careful not to overcook it. Next, we need to add about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Next, add the sriracha sauce. You can add a little or a lot, depending on how spicy you want your shrimp. Now the shrimp is cooked, add the green onion and stir. Thank you for watching. I hope you try this recipe. It's very simple and delicious.